Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number chapter 14, division part 2. Children, multiplication and division you can solve easily if you learn the tables by heart. In multiplication, in the previous lesson you learned multiplication, and in multiplication you have given the cost of one unit, and from the given you have to find the cost of required units. But in division, you have given cost of many units, and from which you have to tell the cost of one unit. So let's start the division chapter. Word problems. Now see this word problem beta. Divide 56 notebooks equally among 7 students. Means 56 notebooks are divided into between 7 students. Then how many will each get? So write 56. This is the division sign. Now write 56 divided by 7. Now write 7's table. हाँ, पहले हम क्या करेंगे? What we will do? We will write the 7's table first. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So now 7 1s are 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, and 7 8s are 56. Mean in 7's table here we get the number 56. So write 8 here. 7 8s are 56. Now minus sign. It is very important sign. Now 6 minus 6, 0. And 5 minus 5, 0. In this way, each will get how many notebooks? 8 notebooks. How many notebooks? 8 notebooks. Now solve the following problems. Now children, see the next. Exercise 14.1. Again I am reading the word problem. See. Solve the following problems. If the total cost of 3, remember, if the total cost of 3 compost boxes is rupees 90, then what is the cost of one compost box? In this sum, the cost of 3 compost boxes is given, and the cost of 3 compost boxes is 90, and from which we have to find the cost of one compost box. So what is given here? The cost of 3 compost boxes is, children, this is the sign of rupees. In international market, we use this sign for rupees. Rupees 90. This is given in the word problem now. So, this is division 90 divided by 3. Now say 3 is stable. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. So 3 threes are 9. Now put here minus sign. 9 minus 9, 0. Bring this 0 down and write here. Now 3 zeros are 0. Don't forget children, if you multiply any number from 0, you will get the answer 0. So 3 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. What will the answer we get? We get 30 rupees. Now, therefore, the cost of one compass box is rupees 30. Now children, see the second one. Again I am explaining it. If 4 kilograms of wheat cost rupees 90. 4 kilograms. 4 kilograms of wheat. Its price is rupees 92. What is the cost of 1 kilogram of wheat? Here again the cost of 4 kg wheat is given now rupees 92, and from which you have to tell the cost of 1 kg of wheat. Now children, what is given here? What is given here? Here the cost of 4 kg of wheat cost is rupees 92. This is given. Now solve the division. Once again write here 92 divided by 4. Now write 4's table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16. But in 4's table, we are not getting 9. It never come. 4 twos are 8. मतलब तुम्हाला काय करायचं आहे बेटा? 9च्या जवळपासचा नंबर, 9 पेक्षा छोटा नंबर. Now you have to write here the smaller number. Again listen, I am telling you, not smallest. You have to write here the small number. Smaller than 9. Now in this table 8 is smaller than 9. 9 च्या जवळपासचा नंबर कोणता आहे? 8 आहे. So I am writing here 4 twos are 8. 9 minus 8, 1. Again I bring it down, write here 2. Now in 4's table, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, and 4 threes are 12. So write here 4 threes are 12. Put the minus sign. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Now what is the answer? The cost of 1 kg of wheat is rupees 23. Now see the next. If 31 liter of milk are poured into 4-liter vessels, how many such vessels will be completely filled and how much milk will there be in the partly filled vessel? Now, what is given in this problem? See here, in this problem, 31 liter of milk are poured into 4-liter vessels. This is given. Now, solve this division. 31 divided by 4. Children, write 4's table. I am writing here 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6s are 24, 4 7s are 28, 4 8s are 32, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40. Now in this sum, 4 3, actually 3 is smaller than 4. So first of all we will multiply 4 zeros are 0. We divide 3 by 4. How? 4 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0, 3. Again put it here down. Now 1. Okay, now it's 31. So see, 4 zeros are 0, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 sevens are 28 and 4 8s are 32. But 32 is bigger than 31. So, which number we will take? We will take 28. 4 sevens are 28. Now 1 minus 8 is not possible. So, I will carry tens in unit, means 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Now 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 करो या फिर 8 minus 11 करो 8. 9, 10, 11. How many answer? 3. And 2 minus 2, 0. What is our answer? Therefore, 7 vessels will be completely filled. Completely filled. This answer we get. I hope children you have understood the division part 2 exercise 14.1. Now you have to solve 4, 5 and 6. Thank you.